Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Cluj, Romania, Cluj-Napoca Romania, and I don't know why anyway, it doesn't matter, we're not going to get into that now. This is the Bastion. So I guess the old city of Cluj-Napoca used to be surrounded by walls, and so I don't know if this is open. They're certainly doing construction on it and stuff, but let's take a look and see what we can find. I'm getting kind of lucky with getting in these doors, but so this must have been a fortification of some kind, and you can see they're ripping it up, so I don't know what they're doing here, but it's got Baba Novac statue here in the front. Cool. 1601. Cool. Okay. And this is the Bastion. Is there an entrance to this thing? And you can tell this is not a tourist area. Oh, and there is a big huge wall over here too. Okay. Huh. So that's just the wall to the fortress. How far does this go? But maybe they're trying to fix it all. And how wonderful is that? I'm all for okay, we're gonna go around this guy and not wake him up, okay? Okay. Yeah, but you can see the big wall here. And where does this go? You know, I think I'm on the wrong side of the wall. Okay. Well, there's the road. It can't be a very thick wall. Oh, well, it's 4 feet thick maybe. But, oh, okay, well, that's it. Okay. Huh. Oh, and it does have walkways. And it has a ladder or stairs that you can get up. But, can you go inside? It looks like they use that to block it off. That's a scary little stairway. You could fall off that in a minute. I think it's a museum. You know, and it's so funny. I think I must have looked at 25 different websites this morning, you know, all of the top 10, top 20, top whatever. And this was on like one of the top 50s, but man, it's pretty amazing. Can you imagine this surrounding your city? I just hope they redo it and make it nice and pretty and everything else. Let's see. You know me, I'll knock on a door. I don't know what that says, and I don't know what this says. Entrance closed, but isn't May 5th? May 1st? Opening hours Monday 12? Okay, not open. And there's some things you can scan for yourself if you want to. Anyway, okay, the Bastion walls of Cluj-Napoca. Okay, bye everybody.